What to do if your send email trigger action is not firing. Within your system, if your send email trigger action is not firing, there are some common errors that you can check to troubleshoot. Number 1, ensure that the custom values are valid. Number 2, check that the custom values are entered correctly with the brackets and no extra spaces or extra brackets. Number 3, the from field needs to be formatted as an email address, such as test@thedemoaccount.com, not a name like the demo account. Option 4, the to field within the email addresses needs to be properly formatted, such as test@thedemocompany.com or scheduling@thedemocompany.com. Make sure it doesn't just say a name like John Smith or Sally Jones. Hopefully these troubleshooting options will help you to be able to determine why your send email trigger action is not firing. These are the most common errors that you may experience and should be able to be resolved quickly and efficiently for you. Don't forget, if you make any changes, that you'll want to make sure that you resave and republish your trigger. That's all for now.